This isn't a regular SUV. This is a 418 horsepower statement. Meet the vehicle designed to go where roads don't exist. This is the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor.
Under the hood, you have a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 making 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. Pair that with the Haas 4.0 suspension and the Fox live valve shocks, and you have a vehicle that's not just built to off-road, it's built to dominate.
While the horsepower numbers are impressive, there are some other numbers you might want to pay attention to, including 37-inch BF Goodrich tires, 13.1 inches of ground clearance, as well as 330 millimeters of suspension travel in the front and 356 millimeters in the rear. These are all numbers that are sure to excite off-road enthusiasts.
The Raptor experience doesn't stop there. Inside the cab, you're going to find a 12-inch main display, heated seats and steering wheel, as well as wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And once you're out on the trails, dive a bit deeper into things like the 7 available GOAT modes, or the hero switches up here, which give you access to things like disconnecting the sway bars, front and rear lockers, and trail turn assist, to name a few. There are way more features that can fit in one video. This is a vehicle you need to see, hear, and feel yourself to understand.
Look, we could spend all day talking about this Raptor, but the truth is, a video doesn't do this beast justice. So come on down to Lacombe Ford and experience it for yourself.